Hello, everybody. My name is Edward Baumgarten. Actually, I'm in the 11:30 class on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I currently live in Rexburg, like I imagine most of the on-campus people, which is in the United States, in case random people forgot. I'm an interdisciplinary studies major, and I'm focusing on project management. Taking this course both because it's required and because it looks fun, and because I took the front-end development class a while ago, and it's something I'm still interested in, so might as well follow up with it, right? Long-term goals are regarding web development, just have the skill, know it reasonably well enough, at least well enough to be able to talk with my future developers and actually know what they're saying. Something unique about me, I'm a military brat, so before I was 20, I'd visited 5 continents, plans for Australia after I graduate. Greatest strength, I like to organize things. Sometimes I can be a bit obsessive about organizing things. I'll try not to be. No problem there. Well, no guarantees either, but yeah. And perceived weakness, I did take front-end development about 2 years ago, so I'm probably really rusty at it. So it might take me a bit to get up to speed with everything, but beyond that, that's me, Edward.